What's good, YouTube? It's Clout back at it again with another video for you all. Today I'm just chopping it up. We just getting content ready, just pushing shit out, but we still waiting on hella orders, bro. Like every day, I'm not gonna cap. Every day I make money, I go straight to Dhgate and put orders in. I'm doing this so I have hella inventory, and mainly I'm purchasing jackets. If you are up to date with the channel, yesterday I posted a video and it was only part 1, so I still gotta drop part 2 and part 3. I might drop all 3 of them shits like in one day. And yeah, just to keep y'all hip and stuff like that. But in this video right here we got on screen, actually in the last video it was just a voiceover on a screenshot similar to this one. It was showing the items that I'm waiting to be shipped out, but I put another order in yesterday after I did the little AirPod flip and stuff like that I told you all about in part 2. I purchased a Canada Goose for $90, and then I purchased a North Face for $48.16 as you see on the screen. And as of today, I had a flip for that pink and blue Bape hoodie, and that joint been sitting around, I ain't gonna lie, for almost a month now, and I finally got it sold today. The person who bought it said that they would come pick up the other colorway I have, the white multicolor one, next week, so that's probably gonna be another 140. But yeah, I took that 140, and as you can see on screen, at the top of the screen, I just purchased 2 more North Face jackets, same colorway, for $94. And I got like $50 left. But in total right now, I have 15 jackets being shipped out, or about 15. I think it's 13 exactly. But if I catch any more flips, then I'm just gonna order 2 more, obviously. Shit, even maybe more than 2, depending on how much money comes in. But yeah, I got 6 Canada Gooses on the way, 5 North Faces on the way in total, and 2 Montclairs on the way. I'm still waiting on the Colognes, bruh. They've been in my location since December 4th, and today is December 10th. So they literally just been sitting at whatever warehouse or mail office that's close to my location for a whole week, bruh. And it's starting to piss me off. Like, I'm not about to order colognes for a long ass time. I'm not gonna cap. Like, I'm only doing jackets right now because they shipping out fast. But like I said, I got 13 jackets on the way, 3 colognes, all Baccarat Rouges, and then I'm still waiting on that hairdryer too. And the hairdryer was the first thing that I've ever ordered from, well, not the first thing ever from Dhgate, but as far as when I started making content for you all. But we about to flip the Bape hoodie next week, hopefully. And hopefully these colognes come in this week, bro. Like, this shit dragging. Tomorrow about to be Wednesday. That shit was supposed to be here last week, Thursday, bro. Like, I don't know what the fuck going on, but that's what's going on right now. Today is December 10th, like I said. Yeah, I already got hella sales locked in for the Canada Gooses. Pretty much, like I said, I got 6 on the way. I believe all 6 are sold. If not, then only 5 are sold, and I have to list the white one. The Montclairs are both sold, and then I got to do the test run with the North Faces. I haven't listed any of them, and I have 5 of them. Once I get the North Faces in, then that's gonna be good profit. No cap. Like, I spent, I want to say 182. I spent like 220 for 5 North Faces, and I'm about to charge 250 for 1. So I should be able to see good return off that. Right now, I'm honestly just not in the mood as far as reselling because, like I said, I haven't had product on hand for about 5 days now. And honestly, it's the cologne that's got me irritated, bro. Like, the day that I listed that shit on Wednesday night because I thought that it was going to come in Thursday. And literally Thursday morning, I had a lady hit me up, and she was ready to buy 2 Baccarat Rouges for $250, bro. And if you know, I'm only paying $30 each, so that would have been $60. I would have sold it for $250, and I would have made $190 profit if the colognes would have came in. I have hella people hitting me up, like, and I'm just pretty much leaving them on red because this shit almost overwhelming. But with the jackets, it's like I can really confirm like pretty much a date. Even if I order the jacket today, then I can let my buyer know, like, hey, the jacket that I just ordered will be here within 10 days. You feel me? As far as the colognes, I never ordered cologne before. This is my first time ordering cologne, so I still got to do the review video for y'all. I still got to let y'all know if everything is 1-to-1, if the smell is good. You feel me? All that good shit. So this shit really dragging, bro. And it's been like, I ordered colognes on fucking November 23rd, bro. 21st and 23rd. So that's damn near 20 days of waiting on some fucking cologne, bro. And honestly, the way that the tracking number has it listed, I feel like the bottles haven't made it through clearance or something of that nature, but they are in the location that I'm in. So I don't know if you feel me. I believe that it has to pass clearance before they even bring shit into the US. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that. But for the shipping, like shit that my vendor used, they used China Post, and that's tied to United States Postal Service pretty much. So I called USPS, bro, and I typed in the tracking number and all that shit, and they keep talking about that they can't find that tracking number. There's no tracking number as far as the one that I'm looking for. So I hit up my vendor and I'm like, yo, the product's still not delivered, and they're like, it's in your area, it should be delivered soon. So we gonna see. Hopefully that shit, like I said, gets here next week. I mean this week, cause I'm really tired of waiting on that shit. Like I'm missing money on that shit. And the quicker I get that 250 or 400 for all 3 bottles, bro, then the quicker I can order more jackets. Like I said, I'm not about to go re-up on cologne, even though the shit is getting it's getting clicks as far as the listing on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. I'm getting hella messages for that shit, and it's priced pretty decent. Like the profit is there, but it's that fucking shipping time, bro. Like I can't deal with that shit, bro. Like not knowing exactly when my shit gonna come in, and you feel me? It's been a lot of people selling vendors, and they be like, they got the best vendors strictly because you don't gotta really trip off shipping and shit like that. And this is actually my first time with some drag ass shipping from any of my vendors, bro, or Dhgate in general. But that's what's going on right now. As soon as the colognes get in, I'm selling them shits probably same day because I already got hella people ready to buy that shit. And then I'm gonna go get more jackets. But like, I'm not fucking with nothing else. I'm still waiting on that shitty ass hairdryer. Like I said, I gotta do a review on that. But I don't believe that I purchased that item from the best vendor. So I might be taking a loss. If anything, I'll probably just sell it for like 120 or 100. I bought it for 50, so even if I sell that shit for 50 brand new, bro, like I just make my money back and be done with that shit. Like, but I'm waiting on colognes, hairdryer, and 13 jackets right now, y'all. That's just keeping y'all up to date as for right now. Honestly, the only thing on my mind right now is getting those products in, and mainly the jackets, but it's also like 70% cologne, bro. Like I know that the jacket's guaranteed. Like I already have all the tracking numbers for the jackets, bro. Even for the ones that I just ordered, like the bottom one on screen, the for $48 that I just put in yesterday, they just added that item to the tracking number. Like they already sent me the tracking number, but they just added it to the 2 North Faces I ordered previous to, I was like, bet, like, because they didn't ship it out yet, but they already gave me the tracking number. So they just added that shit to that. And the Canada Goose vendor did the same thing. Like, originally I had ordered 3 of them, and then I added a white one, and then 2 more black ones, and all type of shit. Like, I kept ordering on different days as I was getting money. And this was all just to keep inventory in. So, like, I don't have the problem that I'm going through now. Like, I got shit coming back to back to back to back to back. So that's why I keep purchasing like that. But as far as the like jacket vendors and shit like that, that shit shipping out fast, bro. Like, so I can't complain off that. And I know I'm gonna make hella money back. And I'm not really mad about the Dyson hair dryer. I'm not as mad as I should be about the Dyson hair dryer and the colognes because those products are cheap, right? I only spent $140 for 3 colognes and the hair dryer. And I made like, I'm gonna make that shit back so quick, bro. Like one jacket gonna make me 140 profit, more than 140 profit, but I'm gonna make it back. But it's just like, bro, if I get the colognes in, then I could get more jackets. Like right now, I feel like when I originally started, I told you all that I was gonna try different products just to see what's selling as far as like Q4, wintertime, what's getting the most clicks and what's moving fast, what's got the highest profit, you feel me? And it's definitely jackets, bro. Like I'm not doing anything else but jackets right now. Um, but yeah, like I said, bro, we waiting on them colognes. Once they come in, I do one for 150 and two for 250. But I have 3 of them, so I'm gonna do probably two for 250 and then one for 150. Hopefully, unless somebody bargains and shit, I'm just gonna get rid of that shit. Honestly, I might try to maximize profits just cause that shit dragged to ship and shit. But if not, then like I'm not gonna trip cause I could just go get more jackets. The quicker I can get more jackets, like the less that I trip. You feel me? But once again, it's your boy Clout. That's pretty much it for the video today, bro. I just had to tap back in with y'all and let y'all know what's going on. I pretty much do keep y'all up to date as far as every day with some type of recording. Like I said, if you see, my channel has grown like 50 subscribers, and that's just from posting short form content alone. So I'm about to keep doing shorts, and I'm gonna try to keep pushing out long form content without fucking up the YouTube algorithm by posting too much or posting at the wrong times and shit. So yeah, I do post daily, either a short form or long form videos, so just stay hip, stay locked in. Um Also, I got hella people comment like you feel me, trying to find my vendors and shit like that. Um I am gonna start charging for vendors just because it's more money to be made. And I've actually been through a few trial and error positions where I've lost like $200 to $400, bro, trying to find vendors and shit like that. And hopefully that's not the case as far as with the hair dryer and the cologne. But I've been through a few situations where like I've lost money, and that's the only reason I'm gonna charge for vendors, bro. Cause it's like certain, sometimes we done fucked up, like we made our own mistakes and we weren't able to capitalize off our vendor. Like our vendors finessed us, and you feel me, that's a part of the process. So if you want directly who I get it from, you feel me, you gotta spend some money, bro, because I had to do the same shit, you feel me, and take my L's and learn from my lessons, you feel me. If you do need a vendor, just DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram in the description below, and then we could just tap in and lock in from there. Shit, but like I said, once again, hopefully these colognes come in and I could get at least 400 to 450 off all 3 of them. And then I'm just gonna go order more jackets, probably like 5 more Canada Gooses or like 10 North Faces for 500, 400. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna just keep flipping that shit. But we should be able to capitalize off hella profit, bro. And right now, I'm just irritated from this shit, bro. Like, I've been waiting an extra week, and it's not like I'm just missing the tracking. Like, it could be fucked up, you feel me? But like, you feel me? Like, it could be a straight finesse, like no tracking number, no messaging from the seller or anything. But it's just like pissing me off because the shit's sitting in the location that I'm in, and like, but I don't know exactly where it is, so it's not like I could just go pick it up from the post office or anything of that nature. And it's like been sitting around for a week. Like, imagine you at the crib waiting for some shit, you got sales locked in, and this shit there probably down the street from your house, and it's been sitting there for a week. So that's how it feel right now, bro. But once that shit get here, I really can't complain. And I know that the jackets will be here fast, so that's my main profit anyway. But yeah, once again, It's your boy Clout. I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to stay up to date. And you could DM my Instagram for vendors and shit. I do charge like $10 per item, or if you just want the whole clothing joint, I'll just do you $50. If you want the AirPod joint, it'll be like 10 to 15 bucks, bro. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm out.